Welcome to the third episode of the Research Paper Bootcamp series. In this episode, we will explore Step 3, locating credible sources of information for your paper. At this stage, your research topic has been selected, you have developed a working thesis statement, and conducted background research to prepare you for your resource search. Developing a search string will help you to retrieve relevant and reliable resources from a database or search engine. Take the main concepts and keywords from your thesis and background research and add them to a search menu. Use this menu to identify the terms you will use in your search string. Conduct your search using one of the databases available to you or on the internet. Enter your search string into the search box to get started. Once you get the results of your search, use limiters or expanders to refine your results. Expanders increase the number of results returned by broadening your search, and limiters reduce the number of results by limiting your search. Once you locate sources to use in your paper, make sure to evaluate them for credibility. This is especially important if you find your source on the internet. Credibility can be determined by examining a source's authority, bias, currency, and quality. Once you have established that your source is credible, select the sources you will use in your paper. Now that you know how to locate resources for your paper, watch the next video to learn how to cite your sources.